Oh, dang. All right, we got a good one here today, guys, because I'm going to be doing an unboxing on the JBL Vibe Beam earbuds. And I want to say thank you to JBL for sending us these earbuds. It's been a while since I got, some new buds, and, hopefully these are pretty darn cool. Now, box designs pretty nice on these. They currently sell for $30, so they're very affordable earbuds. We'll just see how the design is, and I'll go over some of the specs on them. These also come in a few different colors. You've got like a cream color, black, blue, aqua, and then white. Now, I decided to just keep it classic with the black. I was looking at the blue a little bit, though, but whatever. I just got the black. Anyways, let's get the wrapping off these things. Take a little peek. All right, battery case looks nice. To be honest with you guys, just looking at the battery case, very similar to getting like some Beats earbuds or maybe some AirPods. But once again, these sell for $30, which is nice. Now you also get a little orange charging cable, which is cool. And you get a user manual that looks like it's 100 pages. It looks like they wrote a book here, man. That is a little bit ridiculous. All right, I don't think we need that, but it's nice that it comes with a little charging cable. And then you've got a couple extra earbud pieces. Those could actually come in handy because after a while, the ones you use all the time can get a little gross and kind of just fade out. Anyways, here we go. Let's take a look at these buds. Oh, they're pretty big. All right, so the length on them is pretty nice. I think that, yeah. Okay, so what I mean is like the bottom pieces that are going downwards, that's going to help keep these in your ears a little bit better as opposed to them being a little bit shorter. So that's nice. I will say that's nice. As far as some of the other specs on these, now with the battery case, you can get up to 32 hours of battery life, which is really good. I think the buds themselves, when they're not plugged in, it's around like 11 or 12 hours, but 32 hours total, which is nice. You also have hands-free calls you can make with them. They're water and dust resistant, which is nice. But really the selling point, guys, here is that you can spend $30 on some earbuds from JBL, which is known for having nice headphones, earbuds, and speakers, as opposed to spending $100 plus on going with the Beats option or maybe some AirPods or kind of just like in that niche, if you know what I'm saying. Also, if you guys did want to check these out, there will be some discount links I'll have directly below in the description and comments for them. Now, they also have an app that you can get for them when you have the earbuds that I just kind of wanted to pull up. But anyways, next thing I want to do is kind of like let you hear some of the sound quality as best as I can. I've got it turned up pretty loud here to the max. And you can actually still hear them. So let's check it out. Okay, guys, bottom line, these earbuds are very, very nice for $30. JBL could easily sell these for upwards of like $80 to $100, but they're not. You also have some different color options. Sound is very nice. You can hear how loud they were. It comes with a charging cable, water and dust resistant. You get 32 hours of battery life on the case, around 10 plus or 11 plus with the earbuds themselves. So yeah. All right. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you made it to the end, please tap that like. If you have any questions about these earbuds, you can message me below in the comments. I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you all in the next video.